we're going.
Where you going to? I'm going to Gubar.
You don't know where you're going?
I know.
Nag-video ka na naman?
Yes.
What you gonna buy to Gubar?
What do you think? I'm the cameraman. And
What do you think of me? Thinking of you?
Of course not.
Yes, of course not.
Hello, Mr. Francis. How are you, Mr. Francis?
Fine.
Sa'yo na naman. Maubos na ng batiran yan. Sa'yo na naman.
We are now in the, this underpass. This underpass,
What's the name of this road, man?
the name?
Yes.
The name of this road going to Alcobar.
In Calton.
Alcobar Road?
Yes,
Alcobar Road.
going to Alcobar.
Wala.
Yes.
Did you go?
Because in the mom you cannot find
Did you see that sign?
you
Alcobar.
cannot find the shoes. That
Yes,
is
of course not.
Yes, of course not.
it's enough for your
Is that enough, what you call
for
this?
your budget.
Yes.
Too much expensive in the
We need
mom.
to save, man. We save our money, man.
300 reals. Yes.
Too much. Not good.
You want to save the money? Money factor
Yes, man.
or money pulus?
Manipulous. Abira. Abira, German buyer.
Man, look at the building, man.
They call it Kuwait building.
Ay, ba, English tayo, no?
We are now on the top of the
I like this.
Kaya tinawag itong Kuwait building. Nung inimbay ng Kuwait, dito lahat nagtakbo ng
Yung ano na yan, yung building na yan?
Dito nagtakbo ng mga
Itong building na to?
dito nagtakbo ng mga taga-Kuwait lahat. Lahat yan.
Ibig sabihin din.
Taga-Kuwait yan.
Yeah, quite,
Kaya tinawag yung Kuwait building dati. Kuwait.
Yan pala sila pinag-ano lahat.
Oo. Inimbay, no? Puta talaga na. Labas sila sa lahat sa balsa.
Migrate sila.
Labas sila lahat sa balsa. Ayun yung nabalatan sa akin, Mike, Yung tinagpo sa akin. Ayan,